Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some of the most powerful and fun notification features on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Notification might seem simple, but Samsung gives us a whole toolbox of ways to make them more useful, more stylish, and more personal. And the best part? Almost all of these tricks also work on other Samsung Galaxy devices, so no matter what phone you have, you'll find something helpful here. So let's go through one by one and see how you can make your phone experience even better with these notification features and hacks. So feature number one is where you have animated notifications. So animated notification brings movement and flair to your alerts. So instead of just a small icon or a plain pop-up, your notification can come alive with smooth animations that draw your attention right away, like raining hearts, or maybe a raindrop, or maybe a snowflake. So just like this. It's especially noticeable on your lock screen or your always on display or on your home screen, where the little animation makes your phone look more dynamic and premium. So as you can see, I have hearts falling down. However, you can go ahead and change this to anything you like. So I'll go ahead and make this into snowflakes like this. So let me show you how to turn on this animated notification on your Samsung Galaxy device. So for this, you'll need the Good Lock app. Good Lock app is available on your Galaxy Store, so go ahead and download it. Next, you want to go ahead and scroll down and find Edge Lighting Plus. Go ahead and install this module. Now here, you want to go ahead and turn this feature on and then tap on Set Custom Style. Turn this feature on, and now here you can go ahead and choose all your different styles which you can apply. So you can apply these stars coming down, snowflakes, stars, heart, popcorn, more stars. Or you can go ahead and tap on the plus sign and choose your own image here. You can choose the image from your gallery, or you can go ahead and choose all of these custom images which are available. Next, you want to go ahead and choose color, and you can go ahead and change the color around. Then you can go ahead and choose in advance, and you can go ahead and choose all the different effects. So this is a raindrop effect, snow effect, cloud, stars, bubbles, hearts from the bottom, popcorn effect, a zoom in effect. So go ahead and choose your effect. You can go ahead and configure the size, you can configure the period, you can configure the amount, and you can configure the rotation. Now once that's done, go ahead and tap on Done. And then now when you go ahead and get notification on your Samsung Galaxy device, you'll see all that different notification. So you'll never miss an important alert because the animation naturally catches your eye. On top of that, it makes the whole phone experience feel fresh and lively, adding a sense of personality and fun to something as simple as notification. Feature number two is where you have your edge light notification. So with the edge lighting, the side of your screen glows in beautiful colors whenever you get a new notification. So instead of relying on loud sound or vibration, the screen itself becomes a subtle light alert. So you can even customize the color and effects for different apps or contacts, so you instantly know who's trying to reach you. So let me show you how to configure this. So in order to get this edge light notification on your Samsung Galaxy device, you want to go ahead and bring down the quick panel menu, tap on Settings, scroll down and find Notifications. Now here you want to go ahead and find Notification Pop-up Style. Tap on this. You want to make sure you're on Brief, and then you want to go ahead and tap on Edge Lighting Style. So tap on this, and here you can go ahead and choose all your different styles of effects which you want. So you can have hearts, you can have glitter, you can have fireworks, you can have an eclipse, or an echo, or a spotlight. So let's go ahead and choose the firework effect. Now we'll press on Done. And then here you want to go ahead and make sure Show Even while the screen is off. Now press Home. Now we'll go ahead and lock our screen. So now here, and once we get this notification, you'll see that firework effect, which appears on our edge lighting and on our notification. So this feature is perfect for situations where you need to silent or discrete alerts, like during meeting, classes, or late at night. Plus it gives your phone a sleek and a futuristic look every time a message comes in, making even ordinary notification feel stylish. Feature number three is where you can open notification in multi-window mode. So Samsung's multi-window feature lets you open apps from your notification directly into split screen mode or pop-up view. So imagine getting a message while you're watching a video. So instead of leaving the video, you can reply in one half of the screen while your video keeps playing in the background. So here as an example, I've got 2 messages which have just arrived. I'll go ahead and open up YouTube. And here, as you can see, I'm watching my video. And once a message comes in like this, I can go ahead and open my notification, and then I can go ahead and drag this. I can go ahead and drag this in the center, or I can go ahead and turn on the split screen mode. For now, I'll go ahead and just put it in the center, so it's like a pop-up view. Here I can go ahead and continue watching my video in the background, while also replying to messages in the front here. So this is another example which I'll go ahead and bring out. So here I've got WhatsApp open, I've got messaging open, and I've got my video playing as well in the background. So this saves time and makes multitasking incredibly easy. So you stay productive without constantly switching between apps. It makes everyday tasks like replying to chats, checking emails, or looking at directions while browsing much smoother. Feature number 4 is where you can turn on flash notification. Flash notification uses your camera flash or screen flash as a visual alert whenever you receive a call, a text, or app notification. So the bright light is impossible to miss, and it can be set to blink in patterns to grab your attention. So say for example, if you just threw your phone on the bed and the screen is facing down, whenever you get a call or a message and your phone is on silent, your phone will basically flash just like this. So let me show you how to turn on the flash notification on your Samsung Galaxy device. So for this, go ahead and bring down the quick panel menu, tap on settings. Now here you want to go ahead and scroll down and find accessibility. Now next, go ahead and scroll down and find advanced settings. And here find flash notification. This will be in the notification section. Tap on this, and here you need to go ahead and turn on camera flash notification. So you want to go ahead and tap on this, turn it on, and here you can go ahead and choose all the apps where you want the camera flash notification to turn on. For now, I have just gone ahead and set all apps. However, you can go ahead and be specific and choose only certain apps to show flash notifications on. So this is especially useful in a noisy environment where you can't hear your ringtone, or for people who prefer visual cues over sound. Another example is maybe you're in a meeting and these flash notifications will alert you if you have a call or a message or a notification. It's also helpful for accessibility, making sure everyone, even those with hearing difficulties, can be alerted to incoming notifications. Feature number 5 is where you have your smart pop-up view notification. Smart pop-up view turns notification into small floating bubbles that appear on top of whatever you're doing. So you can tap the bubble to open the app in a mini window, reply to a message, or interact with the notification, all without leaving the current screen. So as you can see, I have a notification just arrived from messages. So a small floating bubble has just appeared here. I can go ahead and tap on this, and I can look at all the notifications on this. So like this, you can go ahead and set this for different apps like WhatsApp, Telegram, TikTok, Instagram, and many more. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll go ahead and first open up the quick panel menu, tap on settings, scroll down and find notification. From here, find advanced settings, and then find floating notification. So here you want to go ahead and choose the smart pop-up view, and then you want to go ahead and choose included apps. So from here you can go ahead and choose all the apps where you require the smart pop-up view to show up. So for now I have selected WhatsApp and I've selected messages. So now I can go ahead and press home. Now we'll go ahead and receive some notification on WhatsApp. So as you can see, a pop-up has just appeared here. So I can be watching YouTube, and this pop-up will basically appear here. I can go ahead and tap on this and view all my WhatsApp messages. I can go ahead and minimize this as well, and then continue my normal video watching. So this feature keeps you in control by reducing interruption. You don't have to pause your game, video, or work just to check a quick message. So it's a smoother, faster way to stay connected without breaking your flow. Feature number 6 is where you can configure your notification category. So notification category lets you fine-tune the alerts from each app. So instead of muting an app completely, you can choose which type of notifications you want to hear or see. So for example, you could silence the promotional offers from a shopping app, but still allow delivery updates. So here as an example, we'll use the YouTube app. So YouTube regularly gives me updates on whoever posts videos on YouTube. And I want to go ahead and fine tune those notifications. So to do this, we'll go ahead and open up the YouTube. So we'll go ahead and long press on it. Next, we'll tap on the eye icon here. This basically brings us to the app information for YouTube. Now here, we'll tap on notifications. We'll allow that. And then we'll go ahead and scroll down and find notification categories. We'll tap on this. And here you'll see all the notification categories which you can configure for YouTube. So if you want to see subscription notification, you can turn that on. If you want mobile search for TV, you can turn that on as well. Live streams, comment and replies, recommendation, product updates, lock screen and media control, feedback, client side rendering service, download notification, upload notification. So these are all the notification categories which you can turn on and turn off. So this level of control helps keep your notification organized and meaningful, so you only be alerted for what really matters, reducing the stress and distraction from constant unimportant pop-ups. So this makes your phone smarter and less overwhelming. And lastly, feature number 7 is where you have your charging notification sound. So when you plug in your phone, it can play a custom sound to confirm charging has started, just like this.
Phone charging.
So Samsung even lets you customize this with different videos which you can apply on your lock screen, making this a simple act of plugging in your phone a little more fun. So let me show you how to configure this on your Samsung Galaxy device. So to begin with, you want to first go ahead and open up the Modes and Routine app. Next, tap on Routines and then tap on the plus sign. Now here we'll go ahead and configure the if and then statement. So if, so search for charging, so the charging status. And you want to make sure it's charging and with wired or wireless. So tap done. Now next you want to tap on then, and here you want to go ahead and choose a custom message. Show a custom notification. And here you can go ahead and choose your title and your notification text. And you want to make sure it reads this notification aloud. So I'll just put down here Samsung and then the word charging. I'll make sure that's read aloud, tap done, and then I'll tap on save. Tap on done again and press home.
Samsung charging.
So now when I go ahead and charge my phone, I'll get this custom notification.
Samsung charging.
So this gives you a peace of mind knowing that your device is charging properly without having to check the screen. And because you can customize the sound, it adds a personal touch to your daily routine, making the charging process feel more unique and satisfying. And that's a wrap on the best notification features for your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, from stylish animation to multitasking pop-ups and even custom charging sounds. So these tools make your phone not just smarter, but also more enjoyable to use. So if you found this video helpful, please make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more Samsung tips and tricks, and drop a comment below letting me know which notification feature you're most excited to try about. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.